my current thesis project is called Liminal Landscapes. It involves a 38-foot curved wall, a pair of 2 benches that have sound within them, and a large amount of mud-flavored candy. This project is an investigation in home and the weight in which we carry throughout our lives. So within my program, I have worked on external and internal landscapes and the way in which we care for land and our body, and how sometimes it overlaps and sometimes it's vastly different. I've had so many challenges while working on this project. One is constructing a 38-foot wall by myself. The other is lots of tech problems, including building a film, using sound, and also the culinary aspect. I would have to be a film editor, maker, sound engineer, and also a culinary expert. Favorite experience, hands down, is the people that I've met. My cohort is 10 out of 10. We're gonna have lifelong friendships. It's just been incredible.